Join me as I continue to take on the challenge of turning my backyard into a thriving food forest. So I am going to give you a little update on my garden. It's not a complete tour. However, I am going to show you much of what is happening. I have another dragon fruit here blooming. Please stay tuned to my dragon fruit update on Tuesday morning, God's willing. My grapes, they continue to make progress. I searched a little to see if I see any more on the plant, on the vine, but I'm not seeing any, and I'm scared to go closer. So, my June plum tree, guess what? Look at here, putting out blooms. Ready, ready, ready to give me June plums again. Look at this baby. Look at that. Leaves coming out, blooms coming out. Yeah, I'm loving it. Take a look at this pomegranate tree. I mean, I know everything is not going to stick because so many of them fell off um, before now, today. But I'm telling you, the blooms, they just keep coming. They just keep coming and coming and coming. So, yeah, a lot more pomegranate to come. And I believe that this one soon be ready, oh. Yay. They're looking so good. All right. So, look at my little white eggplant. So cute. Who wants pepper? Nice peppers. But what I'm showing you, look at this baby. My mulberry. I'm telling you, that trick that I show you over and over again, I'm telling you, it always works. And it is working wonders. Look at these clusters. I mean, this baby is doing the most. These clusters, I'm telling you, awesomeness. Yeah, a lot going on there. Let me get this watermelon. Think I see another one. Another one under here. Oh, this one open up. This one not good. There's another one right here. These are so sweet inside. Alright, so I saw a few tomatoes that sprouted. They're very tiny, so you're not going to really see them. But the majority I'm not seeing where the majority has sprouted. So I catch some seed along the sides. So when those sprout, if the ones that I planted before don't sprout, I can use those. Because with these cucumbers that you see sprouting now, these two buckets, they didn't sprout anything. But I put a few seeds in this container just in case. So now I have three right there. So I can put one in each of these. Yay! These corns right here, they're not looking bad at all. You can see they're coming up nicely. I need to put some squash, zucchini mix inside this bed. Look at this pumpkin right here that is growing out of the pavement right here. It is doing so well, and I have not given it any fertilizer at all. Look at that. I said I'm going to start fertilizing it. It looks so lush and nice. And you can see that these ones that are inside here, you can see how they're doing. Now my corns in this bed, they're not looking good at all. So what I'm going to do, I realize that most of the horse manure that is in this bed, it has depleted. And you know that the corns are heavy nitrogen feeders, so I'm going to sort that out. Now inside this bed, I realized that a lot of unicorn worms were in there. Some of the seedlings, they sprouted. You will see them if I bring you in closer, but much of them didn't sprout. So you can see some white spots in the bed. It's because of water after I added the diatomaceous earth, why it looks like a paste right now. I am fighting with the unicorn worms right now. So I am keeping a closer eye out for them because I saw them around the garden, but I didn't know that they came back so much. So they are breeding up. I don't see any right now that catch my eyes to show you. So yeah. So what I did was to replant some seeds inside here. I'm going to keep an eye on it. Can you see this beautiful zinnia? Oh Lord. The camera not doing it. Oh, there. It's doing it justice now. So pretty. So pink and nice. It's baby pink, you know, but my camera is showing me like it's rose pink. Looks so pretty. None of my banana pepper sprouted. So I just sow back some seeds as well. You can see the pak choys, they're coming up a little. I put some red callaloo inside here. I am still just trying to get things sorted. Now these cucumbers, they are running up or running down anything they see. Right? So I'm going to have some trellis in place for these cucumbers, and these are the suyu long cucumbers. The beans sprouting. I was supposed to show you some other stuff before I reach down here. This pumpkin, this volunteer pumpkin that is inside here, I may leave it. Yeah, I may just leave it. These corns around here, I need to heal them and water them, but I want to show you the pineapples. The pineapples start to, do their thing. I did separate the purple, the sweet corn from the purple corn. So I'm going to have a mix inside here. I would love to see if they cross pollinate, how they are. I believe this thing here is getting out of hand, I need to quell it. I need to quell it a bit. I'm wondering if anything is really inside. Can I tell you that I'm getting another male papaya? I don't know why the male papaya tree. I don't know why they love me so much. Look there. Have cucumber coming up right there. The cantaloupes that I thought were not viable, the seeds. I'm getting cantaloupes right there. This is a pepper tree right here, putting out a lot of blossom. And this is the one around here as well. I'm just giving you a little synopsis. I'm just giving you the highlights. So even though this one is so small, putting out a lot of blooms. And my faithful banana pepper tree that you see right here, so it's giving me banana pepper. At one point I didn't even remember that I had it, I thought it was something else, maybe a sweet pepper or something. And this pepper, what it looks like to you guys, it looks like the chocolate, like the chocolate beauty pepper to me. Look here. And this one looks like a regular sweet pepper, so I'm not even sure. Or maybe they cross pollinate. This spinach soon ready to push out. I have some pak choy going to put inside here. And look at this beauty right here. It is springing up. is a red spinach. So I'm going to have it trellis on here. It's on this trellis right here. I have some onions inside here. These look like kale. Yeah, these are kale. I think I have some spinach inside here. I'm going to put back some more seeds in there because these had the unicorn worms as well. They will eat your seed and they will eat your seedlings. And I planted some lettuce inside here, but I don't think the lettuce are out. If you look close, that's a unicorn snail shell. Looks like the diatomaceous earth sucked that one dry. I have some more onions inside here. So yeah, I'm not sure what I'm missing right now to show you, but that's what's up. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, wow, good.
Come garden with me now, man.
What a nice place to live. Sweet jam.